Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to the Sharnbrook Hotel for the AutoID car meet. I'm at the exit to capture the loud cars leaving, so enjoy the video. Everyone's coming out to see what's going on. And today I'm also wearing my Lord timepiece, who have sponsored this video, giving you the chance to get 10% off your order using Adam10, following the link in the description below. Oh, I shouldn't really be filming miners and putting them on YouTube, but here is one, the Morris Miner 1000. There are going to be quite a few BMW M2s in this video. I hope you don't mind. Here is another one leaving the show. What's this? It's the motor bicycle. It certainly is quite the BMW show today. We've got another black BMW M2 leaving the show with a Series 2 Lotus Elise behind him. Oh, 6X, like the number plate. It's Batwoman in the 8 Series. It's quite the exuberant wrap. Okay, we've got one of many Volkswagen Golf Rs. And a Scirocco. Diesel. Scirocco. I think we've just hailed an ice cream van. He was pulling up the junction and we asked, we have ice cream now, and another BMW and another BMW. I might have to, yes, I will. As the M3s leave. Thank you very much, and there's the fiver. Thank you. I grabbed an ice cream and there's an S15. I'm going to have to film like with my left hand. Ice cream, go. That was left hand filming, you're welcome. They're all coming out now. I chose the wrong time to get an ice cream. Or the right time? The Fiesta and the Polo are like bursting with excitement and joy. They're looking forward to their departures, and so are we. Let's see. They're not both for me. They are. Oh, a bit of a clan now, matching the Cayman with the Range Rover SVR. And a hot rod from out of nowhere. Cheeky little boy. Apparently there's 24 M2s today.
Oh, he's back.
Yeah. Fly-by. Okay, we've got one M3 leaving, we've got another one coming up. Fly-by. That was pretty quick. How bizarre.
I don't know you go.
and suds. Well, I hope you're ready for some more F80 M3 noises because there's going to be quite a few today. That's not made the cut. Now we've got a lowered Ferrari 355 potentially on air. So that was a nice sounding car. Oh no! Okay, we've got the poppy cars now. Green calipers too. He's got a livery on his Type R. E36 with a panel that's different to the other panels. I'm going to get a low angle for this one as it leaves. It is a convertible with a hardtop. There you go. Ah, the hot rod has returned. Let's rejoice in the sound of its V8. So we have the F10 M5 with an Audi S1 getting in the way. Okay, the S1 makes noises. They're all very eager today, aren't they? Oh, the Audi's going to do a pull. The Civic's back! Oh. Noises from the M4 as he departs the show. Ah, we got the Mark 1 Focus RS, got the M2. I don't know where to film RS. So much turbo lag. S15. Is that a Supra? It's the bike. Oh, the M1 something I is doing some, I don't know, getting prepared, and the Supra is also making some noises. I don't know what's going to happen here. We're all excited. Cars are still coming up the road as well. So much traffic, it's unfortunate. Ah, we've calmed down a bit now. There we go. There goes the Beamer. Pretty wild, and so is that car. And the wide body E92 M3 and the R33. S1 wants to see the send. He's letting him in go. You're all right? No? Okay. We've got a Audi rocking up the strip. I'm going to try going down here now and seeing what it's like filming the exit down there as the Audi makes some noises. Another M3. Okay, we've got an M2 departing down the bottom with an Aston Martin Vantage. I like these. Nice. Okay, here comes the colourful convoy, starting with Luke's M140i in the BMW Art Car livery. We've got this very loud E92 M3 next. This is going to sound fantastic. And the Satin Gold M140 next up. Finally, with Joel's 760 Li with the straight pipe V12 being blocked by some horses, but we can hear it. Lovely. But whilst it was only a small video of the cars leaving, most of them have left now. We've got a few more left behind, but I'm going to head off now. So I hope you enjoyed that video. They were the cars leaving the Petrolheadonism / AutoID car show here at the Sharnbrook Hotel. Go follow me on Instagram for all the weekly updates and highlights and pictures of these events that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.